It's important to stay open-minded. That's one of the biggest necessities of being a producer. So if you're producing a singer or an artist or something, you have to be open to their ideas as well as what you have as far as your ideas are concerned. You're always looking for what is going to put you on the next level. So you can't be closed to ideas because there might be a 14-year-old kid that has an idea that's open. It's so easy to say, oh, I don't like. It's so easy to go on a negative first instead of just being, securely positive, because there's a way of pretending that you're being positive, but that doesn't mean that you are positive, and it's actually just as closed-minded as being negative first.